Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're working in Power BI and want to level up your reports by adding a helpful month-year column to your date table, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create this column so you can summarize data by month and year with ease. Super useful for everything from sales reports to financial dashboards. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up Power BI. If you already have your file ready, great, just make sure your date table is set up. Now, over in the Fields pane, find your date table. Sometimes this might be called yearly calendar, or something similar depending on how you or your organization named it. Give that table a right-click. From the drop-down, choose Edit Query. What this does is open the Power Query Editor, which is essentially the backstage area where you can transform and mold your data before it ever reaches your visuals. This step is crucial because it ensures you're building the new month-year column right into the source of your data, so you won't have to recreate it for every single report. Once you're in the Power Query Editor, look for the Add Column tab at the top. This is where you can create brand new columns based on whatever logic or calculations you need. Go ahead and click on it. Among the options you'll see choose Custom Column. You can think of this as a blank canvas. You get to define exactly what this new column should contain. In the formula box that appears, you're going to type date to text date MMI. What this does is take your existing date field for each row and transforms it into a text string formatted as month and year, for example, 6/24 for June 2024. This step is key because once your dates are structured this way, it becomes much easier to group, filter, and analyze your data on a monthly basis. If you need to, you can always adjust the format. For instance, you could use MMMEI for something like June 2024, so feel free to tailor it to what works best for your team or your organization's reporting formats. After you type the formula, hit OK. Don't worry if it takes a second or two to load. Power BI is doing the behind-the-scenes work, calculating the value for every single row in your date table. Once it's done, you should see your new column appear to the right, filled with the month-year combinations you wanted. Now, to make sure those changes actually affect your report, you need to apply them. At the top left of the Power Query Editor, click on Home, then Close and Apply. What this does is save your changes and reload the data into your Power BI workspace. Just give this a moment. It's normal if it takes a bit depending on your data size. Back in the main Power BI window, you can now use your new month-year column. When you build or edit your visuals, maybe a bar chart comparing monthly totals or a filter allowing users to look at trends over time, just drag in this field and you're ready to go. You can select it just like any other field in your date table, and Power BI will recognize and sort it correctly. And that's all there is to it. You've just made your date table way more powerful, and reporting just got a whole lot more intuitive. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me bring more tutorials just like this your way. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there's a Power BI trick you'd like to see next. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides and data tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.